Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, northern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, southern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, central Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, northern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Folsom to Barrington, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Cartersville, Calhoun, Somerville, Adelsville, White, Kingston, Plainville, Cheyenne, Cassville, Fairmount, Lyerly, Menlo, Kimpson, Folsom, Cloudland, Funkhauser, James H. Floyd State Park, Holland, and Centerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-673-4664 or tweet us your report at Atlanta. The severe thunderstorm warning for